For 5.1 Introduction to Operating System, the topic is Disk Structure, presented by Anuja R. APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Disk structure in operating system. The stepwise descriptions of disk structure is given below. One is disk surface divided into a tracks, a read or write head position just above the disk surface, and the information stored by a magnetic record on the track under read or write head. It also used to fixed head disk and used to moving the head disk. They're designed for large amount of storage and primary design consideration cost, size and speed. How data is stored in a hard disk. The data is stored in a disk from the tracks on sectors. Disk surface is divided into tracks. Track is further divided into a sectors. Sectors is the addressable unit in disk. The basic picture of the disk storage concept is given below. So this is the basic structure of disk storage device. So this is the overall structure of disk pack structure. So the hardware for disk system. So the disk drive, disk device monitor, read or write head associated with the logic. The disk controller determines the logical interaction with the computer can service more than one drive. It cannot be overlapped 6. And cylinder, the same numbered track on all the disk surfaces. Each track contains between 8 to 32 sectors. The sector is nothing but smallest unit of information that can be read from or write into disk range from 32 bytes to 4096 bytes. So there are various on disk data structure that are used to implement a file system. This structure may vary depend upon the operating system. That is boot control block. The boot control block contains all the information which is needed to boot an operating system from the volume. It is called boot pack in Unix file system. In NTFS it is called as the partition boot sector. The second one is volume control block. The volume control block, all the information regarding that volume such as number of blocks, size of each block partition table, pointers to free blocks and free FCB blocks in Unix file system. It is known as super block, that is NTFS. That information is stored inside the master file table. The next one is directory structure. So the directory structure is denoted by another name for file system. The directory structure contains the file names and pointers to corresponding FCB. That is in Unix. It includes in inode numbers associated to the file names. File control block. The file control block contains all the details about the file such as ownership details, permission details, file size, etc. In this detail is stored in a node. In NTFS, this information is stored inside the master file table as a relational database structure. A typical file control block is shown in figure. So here the file permission, file data, that is we can create, access and write the data, the file owner or group, and file size and file data blocks. So this is the overall structure of file control block. Thank you.